So let us know, say One Nation and more Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, right the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? So yes, we're back again with another Jamaican TikTok compilation reaction video. Understand? With none other than your boy Negusimara. Can I get a sound effect for Negusimara? Yeah. Yo, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe as I say. You understand? Anyway, let's go dive into the video them right now. Up move.
A good drunk crow. You never stop cheap on me till them stab up your ass. Nastiness. Give me the money when you owe me. Give me my $20. Watch them. All when they're there, they still can't dress.
Jamaican women be that petty for real.
We were sleeping.
Yeah, and?
We were sleeping. Yeah. Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there.
Yeah.
We want back everything. Cause from Olivia, a Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just one out of my mother.
Yeah.
Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street. So here, me never have been seen my yard flood out yet.
Match up that bum buckle. When me tell them to say, yo, do the match there. Do that bum buckle. Don't pussy clot tell me say the match
they got pretty Dan.
When me know say the match there, look your
yeah, they got pretty Dan. Up move.
Me know say fucking salt, you know. I'm me a cook. I'm me a cook, you know. So me know say fucking salt. Why me a tell you, so me manage now.
Okay.
Can I have a 3-piece meal? Can you make it 3 legs, please?
3 legs? We don't have enough leg to give one customer 3 legs.
Yeah, but there's a lot of legs behind you in the
Sir, stop, watch that. Do not look at the chicken on the shelf. We don't have enough legs to give one customer 3 legs.
Can I have 2 legs?
Okay.
And a tie?
And a tie? No, that's not going to work, sir. Either 2 legs or 1 tie.
Can I have 3 wings?
3 wings? How much? One to them on them, man. How much wings grew up on a chicken? How much wings grew up on?
Yeah, but I want.
Mister, how much wings grew up on a chicken?
Why
How much? Why you want more? 3 wings?
3 legs?
3 one a wing. 1.5 wings, sir. As a matter of fact, we run out of chicken. We don't have no more chicken. Goodbye. Good night. Have a good night.
Well, that's a classic example of shouting don't mean you're funny. Big up Prince here, me, isn't
Your
it?
jaw scratch is stiff. Your jaw scratch is stiff like
We did a video over there.
Your jaw scratch is stiff. Your jaw scratch is stiff.
We did a video over there. Yeah.
Properly dressed. You feel you're properly dressed. You want a cocoa tea bag with a shawn of milk. You don't drink bag milk. It seems like you want your bread butter. I want me come butter it to you. Cause I run on the back part tonight, just dry all up a sudden. Want butter your bread. Butter be like yeah. Collect now. It seems like
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
Bad man, me I tell you, me can't kick away football man. That's true, me never ever good cricket. You can't play ball like me dog and that man try straight. You can't bad man, you can't play ball like me dog. I'm telling you, come phone now, come on. Your phone? Yeah, at least I can't go on phone shop and fix it dog. I can't fix that, give me that. Dad, you sure you can't fix this? Yeah man, I can't fix it dog, man. I play mine now. Okay, so first. Dad, what you do? What you do? I spin on the battery. My money can't fix it in a dog. What on it? Yeah, this can't fix back in a dog. Big man thing. And that's why I buy a new one.
Okay.
a polygon is a close for girl.
For girl, what the f*** like your talk say? Close figure! Jesus Christ! Yeah.
Miss a girl.
Stop lamp with me. What me tell you, Steffi say?
I'm here, doctor. Watch your vibes, you. You see, sir? I'm Jamaica with it, right, sir? You understand? I'm here fly, go over America, right? I'm here from America, Ghana, over Europe, yes, sir. And then we left Europe past China and go Africa, right, sir? That's it.
Yeah.
You have shown me all of that for. Come here and try to show you, say, oh, pour me and try to send you up on your mother.
Take off your shirt. Hurry up, no man. Awa.
You smell so...
But you're bright.
No, me not like that. But you know, I'm going to introduce you to one cream. It's called the Yoni Balance. Alright, it helps with smell like a dem.
Hey, don't me disrespect.
And it also helps with yeast infection, you know, and use all discharge and them things.
I honestly don't know why you tell me all of this.
Me just a say. So, you link Lulu Solistics _discount on Instagram, you see me, for the thing them, and you use the code Brooks, you get a 10% discount.
Oh my God, babe, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me?
You see you bump them on your face.
How I do them?
Me not like see them, so you get a turmeric soap for that. You see me, you link Lulu see
you know I can't believe you right now.
You know, help with acne and eczema. Yeah man, so just adjust yourself, cause
that was obviously a promo.
3 years time she get pink one. Look. A Satish do that.
3 years time, your mother.
Look on
You
her
wanna
face.
get 3 years time. Look on your dirty key no and your head one blood clot one.
That
Clot. No dog, fuck with that man. No dog. That's a big fuck. Big man, watch your mouth. Oh, sorry, Jesus. Yo, watch your another cup soup up there. But let me tell you, I'm a cousin people, man. Me just like take a number.
You're too freaking
Well, I'm a cousin them.
Every second I a cousin, sister, brother. Me no blood clot business. You take me for idiot?
So now me can't talk to family member.
No! Me no why you talk to nobody. Here who you have to talk to? Me. And me you have to talk to.
yo, met you what time me clock I say.
But after 12 man.
Come in dog, so me a go in dog. What time exactly?
Little more so 12:30.
Crackers. Which number is short and depan? And which number is long and depan?
Alright, this like you know, hear me I tell you say. The short and depan the 12. And the long and the little more pass the 2, so reach 3.
What's the 12:30? 12:15 that Boba.
What you know, me a touch you. Me so far, me check you working after 2. You don't check me check you.
You know, could have just looked on the clock long time, bad bro.
Talk to Uncle Chris.
What's up, Uncle Chris? Do this all day, ato.
Yo, what happened? What the girl them a treat you? You good?
You're
good.
I'm
chilling.
Yeah.
Me know say that you're grinding at school and work.
I'm just trying to do good, succeed and...
Wait. Suck what? No man fish suck.
No, when they're pan.
You mean excel and prosper.
Yeah.
Me know what you say no suck. You hear me? Yo, youth.
Yes, uncle.
All right.
No. Get the fuck out of the house. Look on the bomber clad plate of egg. How much egg you fry? 6 bomber ass clad pussy bomber blood clad egg. 6 blood clad egg dead dog. You ever work in a DNA bomber?
Name up a station?
Eh?
Are you carrying him up a station?
I'm fucking that some kind of gas station.
You're a batty boy. Yo, you make Larry give you a big stone.
You tried it.
You give you a big stone.
Yeah, let's try it. Try it, that's it. Let's try it, that's it.
Me give you a big stone.
Try it. That's it, something pussy. Try it now.
When?
Leave up your bum buck like the man.
You can't leave me up.
Yeah.
I'm your boy.
You can't leave me up.
I want to kill you, bad boy.
Yeah.
You a bad boy?
No, I'm a waste man.
Tabo, you can't leave me up.
You're a waste man. You're not bad man. You're a waste man.
Me will and juke you up with me
Oh,
knife.
your mother pussy and jail.
No, you do, man.
You think you're a bad boy? Eh?
You a bad man for me?
No, I'm a waste man. You're not bad man. You're a waste man.
Yo.
Tell me I'm bad.
You're
You're a
not
waste
chatting
man.
with me.
You're a waste man. No, I don't mean I will have
Hold more late though, as you know, my thing, you know. 6 me a give me that mid-side. Don't lick him.
Yo, just love when them fuck with madman, dog.
Hello?
Sir, me say wait, give me 1 second.
I just came on the phone, but okay.
How may I help you?
Yes, is this the Apple support?
Yes, sir. Now, how may I help you?
Yes, I'm trying to turn on my computer, but it's not turning on.
Sir, then press the on button.
Yes, I did press the on button.
So hold on, if the on button not turn it on, all you expect me to turn it on?
Because you work.
Sir, that no mean nothing. Nothing.
Yep.
If the on button not turn it on, all me to turn it on. Eh? Sir, if the on, but if the on button not turn it on, all you expect me to turn it on.
You work there.
Sir, bring back the laptop.
Yeah.
No, no,
it's not turning on.
Sir.
Just run off your pussy one more time.
Run your mouth, you my blood clot.
We attack.
Run your mouth, you my pussy clot.
We attack.
But so called you my blood clot this way.
We attack.
Touch me as an answer, me can't dead more 1 time.
We attack. Back to back. Go there, sir. Mash up in bumbo clock. Go there, sir, now back to back. Come in, look closer.
Yes, one, you go in.
Come in, look closer, back to back.
Murder way!
Back to back.
Murder way!
Come in, man.
Murder way!
Come in, back to back.
Mommy, where must I put this? Aw, good question, sweetheart. Just put it in the cupboard underneath the bathroom sink.
Hold on. We're going to pull up back that one there. Hold on. Go pull it up again one more time.
Just run off your pussy one more time.
Run your mouth, you my blood clot.
We attack.
Run your mouth, you my pussy clot.
We attack.
But so called you my blood clot this way.
We attack.
Touch me as an answer, me can't dead more 1 time.
We attack. Back to back. Go there, sir. Mash up in bumbo clock. Go there, sir, now back to back. Come in, look closer.
Yes, one, you go in.
Come in, look closer, back to back.
Murder way!
Back to back.
Murder way!
Come in, man.
Murder way!
Come in,
Murder
back to back.
way!
Mommy, where must I put this? Aw, good question, sweetheart. Just put it in the cupboard underneath the bathroom sink for me. Come put it on my head. No, I know that you do. Box me with it. Shove it down my throat. Take it and lick me across my back. Yeah, man.
Yo, dog, look. Oh, Lord. Dog, a man, me a lotion.
What do you take for your anxiety and depression? Weed. What about when you get really angry? Weed. What about when you have trouble sleeping? What do? Weed. I know you used to get really nauseous. What about that? Weed. But you used to do so many drugs. How did you get past all that?
Weed.
Fucking weed, bro.
Weed. Big up all of the herb smokers, them, see me?
Yeah, but remember
this?
them saying the first place where the virus lodge in your throat.
Star.
That's why can't catch it because we stuck with our throat strong.
Throat strong.
Yeah, but that not stop you from catch it. And the sperms now, when you swallow it, it burn out the coronavirus. That's what the video says.
Bothering your Jamaican dad be like.
Shut up!
You know she annoying. You know she's an annoying daughter.
Okay, you put them in a format.
Boy, fuck with daddy. Ah, boy.
Gunshot of fire from morning till blood clot night. Right blood clot through pussy. All you know, mama go begging a blood clot this. Trying to make me walk my more tuning.
Yes, you don't know, ladies and gentle G's, that has been my Jamaican TikTok compilation reaction video for the day. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let me know which video I phone the video. My favorite video are the one where the man said murder, murder. That one there my favorite, is it? But I know one to think, is it? I don't know if like One Nation and Imara Nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Is it? Up move.